4 minutes. Okay. You know how when you are with a huge group of friends and you're like spending time, it's like, well, what are you supposed to eat? There's 8 people, 100 restaurants within a mile, Berkeley. How do we actually decide what restaurants are we eating? So we basically made an app that allows you to very, very easily create a group, and everyone can enter in natural language, just like type, what are your preferences? And the app will detect your location. You set a radius, like how far am I willing to walk? And using this, it will look out, that's like the middle of the lunch. Give it a second. But it will decide,
And we are back into Berkeley.
We are back into Berkeley. It will find all the restaurants in this area, and based on the preferences that you type in, what do you want to eat?
Yeah, we actually would like to challenge green food.
Okay, so green food. Okay.
I would like to eat some Korean food.
And it creates a group. So what's the group ID?
Yeah, let me get that.
116. Okay, so he's joining the group. And he's also going to enter, like, what does he want to eat?
I'm starving.
I'm going to go ahead and submit mine.
I want a hearty meal.
And I can see that there's 2 people within my group right now, but only one of us has submitted.
And now it's submitted.
So now...
All right. Now we can have our app decide. It's going to look through all the restaurants in the area, look through all the menus, all this information that would be impossible for 8 people, all the preferences, look through every single menu to decide, it'll take hours to do this. And now our app is going to look through this.
And respectively, both of our 2, queries were pretty simple, but these can go from like vastly different things to allergies, to, food preferences, to hearty meals or light meals. And to match both of our preferences together, it chose the Berkeley Social Club and actually provides reasoning to why it chose that. So the reasoning that it provided was the Berkeley Social Club is a great choice for both users. It offers a variety of Korean dishes which should satisfy the first user's preference for the restaurant. The restaurant also offers hearty meals that should meet the second user's desire for a substantial meal. We use high quality ingredients and our dishes are prepared with the utmost care.
Berkeley Social Club has really good, I know we tried it, Korean fried chicken and waffles. That's a great Korean place. But now it gives us the website.
It redirects us through Yelp, and we can then make our reservation and figure out everything that we need to on the menu.
So this would have been really hard. Imagine that we only have 2 phones here today, unfortunately, but imagine we had your group of 8 friends, you're going out, you didn't make a reservation, you decide 15 minutes. And one person has a peanut allergy, one person is vegetarian, one person loves Korean food. This will figure it all for you instantly.
Awesome. Okay, walk me through the tech you're using. How's AI
For the
incorporated?
front end, we are using React Native so that we can, deploy as fast as possible to both Android, iOS, as well as also web instances of it, and which then provides HTTP requests to our Python backend running on Flask.
Yeah, right. And it's running on Azure on the back end, and it's just Python and Flask.
Yeah.
Very simple.
And from the Python, it's running, API requests to OpenAI to use, ChatGPT 4, which manages unique agents.